Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the host has Hyper-V enabled and that you can open Hyper-V Manager. This gives you the control plane to attach devices. Once done, enable Enhanced Session Mode and Integration Services so the guest can access redirected resources. Next, plug the USB drive into the host and open Device Manager to note its disk number or device ID. This is critical because Hyper-V cannot attach raw USB directly to a Generation 2 VM without pass-through workarounds. Now you'll convert the physical USB into a virtual disk the VM can use. First, in Disk Management, set the USB disk to offline on the host so Windows releases it. Then run PowerShell to create or convert a VHDX from the disk. For example, use new VHD with the physical disk path or convert to VHD for files. Once the VHDX exists, open VM settings, add it to the SCSI controller as a hard drive, and start the VM to see the drive appear in the guest OS. To finish, inside the guest OS, open Disk Management, initialize the new disk, create a partition, and assign a drive letter so applications can access files. Make sure integration services are running for proper device handling. If the drive does not appear, recheck the host. Ensure the USB disk remains offline there, confirm no antivirus or group policy is locking the device, and try attaching the same VHDX to another VM to isolate whether the problem is the VHDX, host, or guest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.